Okay, bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay guys, so in this video I will demo about my team project for the examination. So in here, let's we move to the uh, move the to the problem. So the problem is the the remote X light display is on, but the physics lamp is off. And when the remote is far from the ESP, the system is get disconnected. Why can like that? Okay, in here I will give the I will give the analysis the problem. So first is the system is cannot too far from the remote is cannot too far from the ESP. If you use access point, if you use the ESP 80 to 96 for the access point, and the second is ESP 80 to 66 is have a higher risk for the connection loss. Then if you use STA mode. Okay, and I will give the solution, but before that I will demo to the project. So in here, in the remote XE, so yeah, okay, now from the remote XE, the button is in on and the lamp is on too. Why can this is on? Because the range of the remote and the ESP is not far. And in here, the ESP is become the access point. So I will explain for the different access point and station mode. So basically, the example access point is the ESP make the Wi-Fi by himself, and when and the STA mode, the ESP is joined to Wi-Fi to the Wi-Fi by the STA. So the ESP is if the ESP become the access point, he will work more harden and will work more hard and make the ESP more get hot. Okay, and for the first solution I will give you to, if you use the ESP for the access point, I recommend you to not put the remote is too far from the ESP, because the ESP 80 to 66 is is because the ESP8266 is have a high risk to give the internet, so you can use STA for the soft, and the second is you can use the STA for the access point, and that make not ESP too hard, more hard. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Sorry if I have some mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.